Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I want to share my after shower routine with you guys. So without further ado, let's quickly dive in. So guys, the first thing which I'm going to be using here is going to be this Body Cupid Red Plum Bath and Shower Gel. Now it consists of vitamin B5, aloe vera extracts, it has vitamin E, and it also has plum extracts which helps in wearing away the blemishes you have on your body and also helps in brightening up your skin. It leaves your skin beautiful and hydrated, and to mention it smells amazing guys. After that, when I come out of shower guys, I make sure that I use a good body lotion, and these days I'm using this Body Cupid aloe vera and green tea body lotion. Now it has aloe vera extracts, it has enzymes and vitamins, also salicylic acid, which has a remarkable anti-inflammatory and rejuvenating skin properties. It also helps in shielding the skin from damage inflicted by sun rays and pollutants. And guys, it makes you smell amazing throughout the day. It gives that moisture and nourishment your skin needs and makes you feel all silky, smooth, and beautiful. I take enough amount, generous amount. When I apply it all over my body, it helps in beautifully hydrating it and makes me smell amazing throughout the day. That is the reason I love it. It also has shea butter, which has amazing benefits for your skin. Now next up guys, I just apply this lotion all over my body and you will instantly see your skin glowing. After that guys, I also make sure that I apply a good body oil. Again, it helps in adding a beautiful shine to your body, and it also helps in making you smell amazing. So here I have used this coffee oil. If you are someone with stretch marks and cellulite, it is going to be amazing for you as well, because not only it helps in hydrating the skin but also helps in making it beautiful. Also, if you use it, it is gonna prevent those strawberry legs, leave you all bright, shiny, nourished, and hydrated. So yes, I hope you are able to see a difference in the skin. After that guys, I use this Body Cupid cucumber and melon body mist. Now it has cucumber extracts and melon extracts, so it has a very mild fragrance, an everyday fragrance which you are absolutely gonna love. It doesn't smell too strong. I love the smell. It's, you feel like cucumber and melon. So yes, I absolutely love this mist. After that, I'm gonna take a very natural deodorant for my underarms. It is a brightening serum guys. I'll make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. After that, I'm gonna spritz some aloe vera mist all over my face. So when you wash your face, you come out of shower, your skin needs that toning and hydration. So I use that mist for that. After that, I'm going to be taking a phytoniacinamide serum for my dark spots and pigmentation, and it just makes my skin all beautiful and glowy. There is going to be detailed video about it coming soon. After that, never forget layering your skin with a good SPF. Now, if we are applying serums which helps in exfoliating the skin and which works on the pigmentation, it's very essential that you also go for a SPF. After that, just a bit of tint. It is gonna be on my lips, also my cheeks, to add that beautiful flush of colors. So I'm done here. I love this pamper routine guys. It's super simple to do, and yeah, I'm done here. The products links are gonna be in the description box below guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.